This will be the elevator here at 618 Gate Street, the arcade building here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Don't worry, it's like a 90 Series 1. Oh wow. Nice beep. Damn. That's fast for Hydra. This must have been added on here. This is good 3. You're 3. In the video, 1. Very tall elevators from the 90s. I think this was added on for ADA compliance. There's a phone. Yeah, this is just a Series 1 here. Nothing too exciting, but while this was an addition to the building, you can tell look how nice this building is. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.